Welcome back to another video, and as mentioned, this is the second of the Citroen C1s that I have at the moment. This is a 2016 Citroen C1 Flair Puretech, which is the 1.2 petrol 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got 2 previous keepers, 2 keys, and it's only covered 16,499 miles. It is down as a category S structural damage due to the very light damage to the rear. On the inside, this is a very clean car, which is rare. It does have remote central lock-in, electric mirrors, power steering, air conditioning, speed limit system, rear parking camera, 7-inch multimedia touchscreen display with DAB radio, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. At the end of this walk around, I will be showing you a more in-depth look at the damage, and you can see for yourself how little it was. Do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. That way you'll always be up to date and you'll see all the progress on the cars. If you want to comment, or you have a damaged car or a non-runner that you think I might be interested in, then message me below or email me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you soon in another one. So that's all the protection wrap off, and as I said, it's always a good idea to warm it up a little bit just to save ripping off any of the lacquer or anything like that that's on the body. So let's have a look at this. So really what we've got here is a little crease just there, and obviously this panel has got a cut, it's gone in that way. So what we'll have to do is pull this back a little bit just to get it a little bit closer. Sits about that distance you see there, about 1/4 inch just off there. That's where it should be. So obviously it's gone wider here. So once this pulls back, this crease will go away again. It'll just fold in out the way, and that's that. If we look down inside, let's see what we can get in there. So there's no actual damage to the bottom panel down here. And if we show you from underneath, so look under here, we can see that there's no actual structural damage anywhere on the floor. That's all good and straight. No creases anywhere on the chassis. It literally has just caught the top of up there. So that's really good. Very small damage. While we're here, we just have a look at inside here. We can see there's no other damage anywhere in there. That's all good. The tyres are all really good condition, all brand new. Looks like it's had new discs at some point lately and new pads. There's a little bit of surface rust on there, but according to the ticket on the windscreen, the car's been parked up, or it was picked up by Copart on, oh look, it says it there, the 2nd of the 1st. So therefore it's been sitting around for about 2 to 3 weeks now. So just as you'd expect on the discs on the face there, but that's no problem at all. And then you can see in there, pads quite like new. Everything else is all good. So as far as the damage goes, it really will be just a little push to bring this just a little bit back, get rid of that little crease there, and then we'll replace the tailgate with a new glass. We will be servicing the engine, getting everything done. Once it's done, we'll be polishing it, getting it back in through a new MOT, and then it'll be ready for sale. So keep an eye out for an update on this one. We'll just get it all sorted. It's such minimal damage, but I just wanted you to see that that really is all the damage this is classed as a Cat S. Just that little bit of damage. So we'll see you soon in another video.